Hi guys, welcome to another episode of 7 Minute Craft, and this is Prasath here. In this video I have something special to show you guys. We have a new parcel on my desk, was sent to me by Oytra. I'm very curious to know what they sent to me. Now let's get started with the video. Let's open the box and see what do we have inside. Look like there are many polymer clay they sent. Let's take them out and show you guys. Here's the first one. Oytra LI series, red and pink, and this one signature polymer clay, white and peach, and this one Oytra basic, brown, blue, yellow, and this one metallic silver, and this one again basic, green, and finally polymer clay classic series they sent. This one also another peach color. Thank you Oytra for sending this. I'm going to try this clay in my next video. Bye.